In this video, I'll show you how to use the text tool and a couple of different features. So from the left-hand side, arrangement, opening, advanced, hit the arrow here and it brings you to our text tool. So we have three different types of fonts. So where it says font type, if I just hit the drop-down bar, we have true type fonts, Valiani fonts, and single line fonts. True type fonts are anything that's in a computer or any type of font that you can download from the internet, whether it be the Coca-Cola font or whatever that you can download. That being said, the fonts that are on your computer may not be the best to cut because of the way that the tool works. Within the Valiani fonts, most of them, probably 95% of them, are guaranteed to work depending on the size. Single line font is basically just for the pen tool itself, so I'll show you all of them. So Valiani fonts, I can just type in here whatever I need and press insert text. From the font here, you can see that there are quite a few different types of fonts. If I click on any of them and use my up and down key on my keyboard, I can scroll through them. So in this instance, this is what I want. I can use my auto size just to get my mat board correct size. If I want to do a V-groove around the outside, I can use my insert contour tool, 5mm, style I'll use rounded, first layer, and V-groove. I'll make that 10mm, press OK. In this instance, we get little drop-ins because of the overlay. So if I want to get rid of these pieces here, I'll use my right-hand mouse button, click, explode template. And down the bottom here we have two little arrows, and what that will do is we'll cycle through all of the openings on the page to get to the ones that I don't want. So I'll use the delete button and delete all of the openings that I don't want. So you can see that that one's highlighted. There's the opening size, so I'll just delete that. So it's just a matter of cycling through to find all of the openings that you don't want. Or you could have made it bigger. So what I'll do is I'll just undo all the way back to where I put the V-groove. Insert contour. So if I say 15mm, rounded, V-groove. So now there's no shapes in the internal. So this is as per the picture shown.